Yarny.
Hey guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to teach you what front loop only and back loop only means in crochet. So front loop only is frequently known as FLO and back loop only is frequently known as BLO. So the front loop only and back loop only techniques can frequently be used, especially when you're working on amigurumi projects, where say you do not really want to make a ball and you want your projects to go upwards like a tube, and so you can use these techniques to do those types of projects. You can also do fluffs like this around your project, and these are basically using the front loop only or back loop only techniques. Let's get into it. For the purposes of this demonstration, I have completed a magic ring and I have done single crochets around my magic ring. This will make it easier for you to understand. So I will work only single crochet for this demonstration. As you can see, each stitch represented by the legs of a V formation here is basically a single crochet from the last row. So here, here, here. And say we want to do a single crochet, what we would normally do, we would simply insert our hook inside the next stitch, which is the full V, like this, right? You can see that the hook is inserted underneath the two legs of the stitch here. Well, the front loop only technique actually means that you're only going to be working with the front leg of the V only. So the front leg of the V is the side that's closest to you. And it doesn't matter how you switch your project, the front loop only will always be the leg that is closest to you. And so if I want to do a single crochet in the front loop only, I will insert my hook inside the middle portion of the V, going under only the leg of the V that's closest to me, as you can see, like this. So just a quick comparison again, if I were to do a regular single crochet, I would go underneath the two legs of the V, like this, as you can see, under the two legs of the V. But if I want to do a single crochet in the front loop only, my hook is going under the front leg of the V, which is closest to me, like this. And you can see my hook is coming out of the middle section of the stitch here. So now I will simply do a regular single crochet by yarning over and pulling the yarn through the stitch. And that's how you do a single crochet on the front loop only. I'll just quickly demonstrate this one more time. So I want to do a single crochet in the front loop only. So my next stitch is right here, this stitch right here, and the front loop only means I insert my hook inside the middle section with the hook going under the leg of the V that's closest to me, like this. Now I will yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop, and do my single crochet as usual. Now before we look at the back loop only, if you've liked what you learned so far, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel because we will have a lot of cool content with tutorials on patterns and amigurumis. And don't forget to activate the bell button if you want to get notified. So now looking at the back loop only. So the back loop only is actually pretty simple as well. So we talked about the front loop being the leg of the V that's closest to us here. Well, the back loop only is essentially the leg of the V that's farthest from us. So this portion here. This is the back loop only. And if we want to do a single crochet in the back loop only, like I mentioned, for the front loop only, usually when we do the single crochet, normally we would insert our hook inside the full stitch like this, going under the full stitch, and we see the full V, right? While the back loop only, we insert a hook in the middle section of the stitch, and we will go under the leg of the V that's farthest from us, like this. Now we will yarn over, just like we would do regularly, pull the yarn through, and do our single crochet. Let me quickly demonstrate this one more time into the next stitch that we have here. So we have two set of legs for the V here. For the back loop only, when we're doing a single crochet, for example, we insert our hook inside the middle stitch, the middle hole here of the stitch, and we want it to go under the back leg of the V that's farthest from us. We just yarn over, pull the yarn through the V, the leg of the V, and just like this, we've just done a single crochet in the back loop only. And just like the front loop only, it doesn't matter if you turn your project around, the back loop will always be the loop that's farthest from you. And that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed what you learned today, and you will be able to use these techniques on all your future projects or amigurumi projects and crochet projects. And don't forget, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell button to get notifications on all our upcoming content. Thank you for watching.